Our family has flown to Hawaii in business class, stayed in luxury hotels, and booked last minute trips without paying thousands of dollars. And no, we're not rich. I'm Chris. I'm a dad, a travel writer, and a travel rewards specialist, and your new favorite way to save money and not pay full price on your next vacation. I help families travel better, cheaper, and smarter using points, miles, and a few hacks you may not have heard of. Last year, my family flew in lie flat business class seats to Brazil, stayed in five-star resorts at Walt Disney World, and paid almost nothing out of pocket. It wasn't a fluke, it's a system, and it works. This channel is all about real advice. No fluff, no 17-step spreadsheets, just honest tips that actually work. Even if you've got toddlers in tow and one credit card in your wallet. If you've ever thought vacations are too expensive or too chaotic, or both, you're in the right place. This isn't one of those points channels that's going to teach you how to open up 15 credit cards you can fly solo to Japan. No, I'm a dad, I know that's not practical. I'm going to talk about how you can stretch your points and miles so you can book those extra seats for your kids, maybe book that suite so everyone can stay in the same room, find those family-friendly destinations, and avoid some rookie mistakes that I've already made. These videos will be unfiltered, to the point, and designed for you to take action without spending hours trying to figure it out. Subscribe if you want to book epic family trips without blowing the budget. I'll show you how I do it and how you can too.